Hey everybody, Chad Horn here. Welcome to another edition of Deal Desk. As always with me,
Connor McGowan.
Hey Connor, how are things going?
Things are going good, Chad.
They are. The sun is shining.
It's beautiful.
First day this year, I haven't worn my winter jacket to work. I was pretty excited about it. Clear blue skies. The sun is reflecting off the glass of the new building just down the road. I gotta say, I can't stop talking about it. I drive just a little bit slower every time I go by because I can't wait to get in there. It's another store to add to the already expanding Car Auto Group. How many stores do we have in the group right now?
We have 7 dealerships in total.
Wow. So we have, let's name off. So starting furthest away, we've got
Victoria Hyundai.
Victoria Hyundai, then next up.
Maple Ridge Hyundai.
And then we've got
Penticton Nissan.
Great, and obviously that's in Penticton.
Yes, it is.
And then we've got the three here in Kelowna, which are?
Kelowna Kia, Kelowna Hyundai, Buy Direct Truck Center. And then we have the Genesis franchises in both Victoria and Kelowna as well. Some exciting news, Chad, while we're on talking about Genesis here.
Okay, let's hear it.
So we just had the approval last week that we are going to have our standalone Genesis dealership next to Kelowna Hyundai and Buy Direct Truck Center.
I've seen pictures of this thing. What a beautiful looking building that is. I mean, home and luxury brand, beautiful building. It'll be right in the middle of everything. How exciting.
It's stunning. It's stunning. It's a really cool plan. I've seen the plans for both interior and exterior, and we're definitely excited to add that to the resume.
Now, talking about all these dealerships, remember when it comes to used cars, I mean, we can pull new from them as well, as long as it's a Hyundai store, but used is really what makes us a proud member of the Car Auto Group. I mean, we can pull from any store.
Yeah, and obviously the benefit to the customer is, if they live in Kelowna, that's great. We have 4 dealerships here, as well as the 2 or 3 out of town that we can easily, put on a truck or drive up here and show you that vehicle and get you driving home in it.
Speaking of trucks, Connor, something happened today. It's one of my favorite things that happens. Starting to happen a little bit more, and that's getting exciting too. I saw another truck pull up, and it had some new vehicles on it that were factory orders. We've been taking a lot of factory orders. I think it's every day we take, 2 to 10 factory orders. Mm-hmm. How many do we have out for this month alone? How many have we taken?
Yeah, so this month alone, thank you, awesome customers at home. We have taken over 80 factory orders for the month of March already.
That's huge. That's actually really huge. It's more than 2 to 3 a day, really, when you think about it, because we're closed on Sundays.
Yes, we are.
Thank God I get to relax a bit, because you guys are at home are keeping us busy, which we love, so thank you so much for that. The factory order process is easy. You come in, you tell us what you want. We do have new cars on the lot for you to test drive. They are test drive units only, but we keep them in stock so you can test drive them and you can drive before you buy, and that way you're buying with confidence, right, Connor?
Absolutely. We have some other exciting news about some 2023 models, Chad.
You're just packed with the exciting news today. I love it. Connor, take it away.
2023s. We can now order all of 2023 Hyundai models. So if you are looking to factory order, and obviously a huge stack of those 80 customers for this month so far have ordered their brand new 2023. So lots of the Ioniq 5 fully electric, available in all-wheel drive, up to 500 kilometers range.
The Palisade.
The Palisade.
The Elantra.
Elantra, Tucson, plug-in hybrid Tucsons, hybrid Tucsons. So we have so many options. We're very, very lucky with what Hyundai Canada gives us to offer.
And that being said too, I mean, a lot of people are like, well, has anything changed? Great question. Lots has. Hyundai loves to stay ahead of the game, being an exciting, groundbreaking brand, always introducing new styles, new features, safety, or just, technology related, or even just stylistically. One great thing too is they always provide us with the product guides. So if you do have any questions, what can I expect to see in a 2023 Tucson or a 2023 Palisade? Give us a call. We have the product guides. We can go through the different trims that are now available, because some of those have changed as well.
Yep.
And some of the features as well. So we'd be more than happy to field those calls and get your order in the line. What else can we talk about here before we sign off?
Nothing much. I think we're happy with how March has treated us. I'm very excited. Got to meet a lot of new faces and get some customers down the road in their new used car or brand new car.
That's right, yeah.
So, I think that's about it, Chad.
That's it. Let's sign off here, Connor. Chad Horton at Kelowna Hyundai with
Connor McGowan.
Take care. See you next week.